latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi held a marathon meeting with chief ministers of all states to discuss the COVID-19 situation, where he hinted at a possible lockdown extension. The Prime Minister stressed on the fact that people must observe do gaz duri or maintain proper social distancing. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, during his interaction with the Prime Minister, said that Karnataka has been focusing on the 4T principle, that is tracing, tracking, testing and treatment. In the meeting with the Prime Minister, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa said the state has increased the number of COVID-19 testing centres and the government has held a detailed survey to identify influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory infection cases. The state government has proposed to do away with district-wise zones and only containment zones will be identified. The Chief Minister said domestic and international travel must be prohibited and interstate travellers will be placed under strict quarantine. On his part, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy requested the Prime Minister not to allow passenger trains to operate in the state till May 31st. He also urged the Prime Minister not to allow air services as Tamil Nadu's COVID-19 cases cross 7,000 mark. One of the firmest suggestions came in from the Telangana Chief Minister Chandrasekhar Rao, who urged Prime Minister Modi not to allow train services. Despite a huge spike in COVID-19 cases in Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray asked the centre to allow local train services in Mumbai. The worst affected state of Maharashtra has recorded more than 23,000 COVID-19 cases and the numbers are only on the rise. While Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has already stressed upon lack of revenue in Delhi, he said the centre must allow economic activities to resume in the national capital. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee upped the ante against the centre for playing politics and opposed resuming passenger train services. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan said each state must be allowed to take their own decisions on lockdown relaxations and guidelines according to conditions prevailing in their respective states. With over 500 positive cases, Kerala has recorded the highest recovery percentage with 489 patients recovering in the state. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amarinder Singh pitched for extension of lockdown backed by fiscal and economic empowerment of states. In all, the marathon meeting by the Prime Minister involved a bag full of suggestions that would help curb the spread of COVID-19. It remains to be seen whether the centre's strategy to contain COVID-19 will work out or not.